yung grocery mo, kanino yan?
Aba kay Deng Deng, talagang nagamit na naman kami. User.
Ayan, pinag-grocery na naman namin yung batang yan.
Baba kasi tayo. Ayun o, may arch.
Wembley Arena.
Okay. And then you sell it like you cut it and then...
Yeah, I can sell the roll, cut in front
Oh,
of
okay.
you. It's up to you.
Marco, sinunog yung pizza namin. Walang food si Dane Dane. Wala na naman.
sa pizza? Deng!
Wala, kami may dala nito, ito, tsaka to. Wala na. Guys, mura, mas mura dito, 175 sa Tesco, 2 pounds. Ito, meron pa kaming baklava. Yan.
Oh shit, she did.
Fried. Ewan ko kung ano yan. And then ito, ginataang alimasag at alimango.
The highs and the lows, struggles of living. So the first one is all about prayer.
We're at Uniqlo. So, yun yung anak namin. Magpapalit ng trouser. Pinalitan na lang nila ng bago.
What did you get?
Time to go home again. Till next time. Thank you for coming with us.